Hi, this is Lee with Dosatron and Dilution Solutions. I want to show you a simple installation here. This is an E14 Dosatron that is piped in. This unit has a bypass switch on the top of it where we can shut this unit on and off. For optimal installation, I really like to install this unit in a bypass installation, which is not done here. I would take and pipe from around here with a valve, come up and over and back. So I could isolate this unit, shutting it completely off and run clear water through the system. This is especially good in a greenhouse operation in the summertime. If you have to maintain your dosatron, you can always have availability to water with a bypass installation. The bypass switch is always good to have too as a quick shutoff, and it is an option on most of our units. If you have questions about installation, please give us a call or visit our website. Thank you.